Merry Christmas and welcome to day 7 of our 12 Tools of Christmas. And today we're going to be talking about Calendly. It's a booking app, so if anyone has ever worked with us, we use Calendly to make sure people can actually book in a time to either speak with us, have a meeting with us, or book in a workshop. And we use it every single day to make sure we can coordinate with other people. So do you use Calendly or do you use something else? Comment below.
Calendly is a simple, powerful scheduling software that aims to save time, accelerate sales, and improve service quality. It eliminates old-school ways of using email and phone tags for scheduling appointments, calls, interviews, demos, and more. We use Calendly regularly for clients, for inquiries, and we especially use it for when any one of our clients, mentorees, or even people who are just interested in our services, they can click on the best time that works for them, and we know it's going to be open in our schedule for us. And it also works for all you businesses out there because you can set up payment through the app. So if anyone wants to book your time for your services or products, they need to make sure they can pay.
So we hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure if you do use the tool to comment below and let us know how you went with it. Make sure you check us out on all of the social medias and the Facebooks. And if you have any questions, you can just DM us or let us know in the meantime. All right, hope you have a Merry Christmas and check out tomorrow for another tool. 12 Tools of Christmas. I actually quite like the name. Bye.